Hello, friends. Welcome to this 5-minute stillness meditation. Stillness meditation is the magic of doing nothing. If you've never done stillness meditation before, don't worry, I'm here to guide you. Stillness meditation is a lot different than other types of meditation that you may have tried before. You won't be doing any mantras. You won't be focusing on your breathing. You're just going to be sitting, relaxing, and allowing your thoughts to move through as they please, allowing yourself to do what feels good and right for you to relax. I will be guiding you, and so I will be giving suggestions, but there will be a lot of open space and quiet moments for you to practice your stillness meditation. So if you're ready, let's begin. Close your eyes and allow your body to settle. Feel the weight of your body resting. No need to change anything. Let your breath come and go on its own. If thoughts arise, let them float by. You don't need to hold on to anything. Allow yourself this time to simply be. Nothing to do, nowhere to go, just stillness. gently bring your awareness back. Wiggle your toes and fingers. Move your body. Stretch. Open your eyes. And feel that refreshed magic that you experience when you allow your mind and your thoughts to quiet and just be, without the struggle, without the effort, just allowing yourself to be. And coming back with vitality, peacefulness, and joy instilled in your heart. Have a lovely day, and I hope to see you again. If you enjoy this content, hit like and subscribe. Thanks so much.